All right, one of the biggest debates on the ukulele is, should I use a strap? Should I not use a strap? Is it gonna hurt the sound of my ukulele by putting a strap button on? I'm not sure. Don't worry. We're gonna talk about it right now in this video. All right, so check this out. You see my videos. If you've seen my videos, if you've seen my courses, ukelikethepros.com, if you've seen anything, for the most part, I use a strap. Now, I don't use a strap when I'm doing my reviews because most of those ukuleles do not come with a strap button already installed. Should I use a strap? Should I not use a strap? Matter of fact, just tell me below, what do you think? Are you using a strap or you do not? Now, the benefits. Let's just talk about the benefits first. What I like about using a strap is that it allows me to do stuff, especially when I'm moving up the neck. Especially when I'm doing finger picking, all right? Doesn't mean you can't do it without a strap, but it helps me because now I don't have to worry about holding the ukulele here with my hand. I don't have to worry about holding it right here against my body to try to do it and keep my hand straight, right? So I find that easy. I also find it easy when I'm doing any kind of soloing. Again, it helps because now I can free up my hands from holding the instrument and not have to worry about that. I can be free when I do it. Again, you can do it without a strap. I find it a lot easier when now I don't have to do anything, and automatically this strap puts it in a nice position for me. It takes pressure off my wrist, takes pressure off my hand, and it puts it in a really nice playing position when I use a strap. Now, the other thing that's asked is, will you, or if you put a strap button here, if you notice I have it plugged in, that means I have a pickup here, but that also works as a strap button. If I put a strap button there, or if I put the other strap button here at the heel, will that hurt my ukulele? Will it affect the sound? And it will not affect the sound. All right, so one, when you have a strap button here, there's a block of wood that goes right behind here on all ukuleles, and that's what that screw drills into. And two, if you're just putting it right here, that's not gonna affect the sound because it's just a solid piece of wood. So do not worry about it. If you need a strap, you want a strap, don't worry about hurting the instrument. Put one in, just like me. I use pickups for everything, so no matter what, boom. From my cheapest ukulele to my most expensive priceless ukuleles, I just put a pickup in all of them, right? And don't even have to worry about it. So anyway, are you a strap? Do you use a strap? Are you a strapper? I was gonna say, I don't know, that even makes sense. Or do you not use a strap? I like it. I find it as you progress in your playing, it's a lot easier to do a lot of things up the neck, finger picking, soloing, where you don't have to worry about holding the instrument with your hands. So anyway, I want to hear that in the comments below. All right, I appreciate you being here. Just a quick little video for you. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure to check us out, ukelikethepros.com. We'll teach you anything you need to know over there. And we have a fantastic store, matter of fact, the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com for your ukuleles, ukulele accessories, whatever you need, even straps. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. See you next time.